Greetings, everyone. I'm down with Healing Frequencies Music, and you've probably wondered why it's been a while since I've posted anything. I moved, and as you see, this space behind me is very different than what I've had before. I will eventually do a new studio tour, so keep watching for that video. But in the meantime, I am in the new space, and the house I purchased is in Lewiston, Idaho. And it's a bigger community. It has access to Clarkston, Lewiston, Clarkston on the Washington side, Lewiston on the Idaho side. You go up to Moscow, Idaho, and then Pullman, Washington. You got 4 cities that you can work with that are very close to one another for a lot of the things that I do. This space is very versatile, whereas my place further north was not as versatile. Um, Here, the entire music making area is in the basement, and I live upstairs with the cats. So, a real quick overview of what we have here. I am sitting in the control room area, and over to that side, that's the piano that was upstairs, is now down here. That cabinet is full of all the percussion instruments. Then, if you pan a little bit further this way, you see the kitchenette. This is, the kitchenette table. That's the hallway that goes down to 2 guest bedrooms. And then a bunch of books are here, but part of that acts as sound barriers. Then you can pan back over this direction. And there are the crystal bowls that are all covered up. And there's a window that leads to the backyard. And this is my wall of gongs, which I have to keep covered up when we're recording because they will talk back if they're not covered up. You talk, you clap, you sing, you say anything, those things will vibrate. So we had to come up with some measures to keep them from doing that when we're down here doing other things. This new space is multiple use. We have retreats here. There's a recording studio down here now, as well as the space where I create my own music. There's a lot of things that are coming up, and I'm looking forward to showing you what those are. I have partnered with a friend who I worked with at Washington State University, and if you've paid attention to the introductory video, that recording was made at Washington State University, and now that my friend has retired, we have partnered together to create Cryatin Studios, and there's a link to that in the description below if you want to go check it out. So true to my nature, I can't just do one thing. So I have Healing Frequencies Music. We have Cryatin Studios now, and we are planning on doing workshops here, recording workshops, music workshops, retreats, all kinds of events in this place. Amazingly enough, I got a beautiful house that is completely surrounded in dirt and cement on 3 sides, and the only side that's open to the outside is the back. You can go all the way to the back fence, and you can't tell that we're making music down here. You go into the front yard, and even if someone's down here screaming loud, you can't hear it in the front. So there's no bothering the neighbors, lots of natural sound barriers. So it's wonderful. There's a little wooded area behind me. So it's perfect. And I'm excited for this new adventure and to show you in some upcoming YouTube videos what that's going to look like. I will do a full studio tour, but I'm going to do it slightly different than I did before. And then I'll take a bunch of good pictures and then go through a PowerPoint. And so you can actually have a closer look at each of the spaces. The beauty about it is the recording studio part is if you're coming from out of the area and want to use the space, we have places for you to stay overnight that are much more cost effective than staying in a hotel. Because you have a bathroom down here, there's a kitchenette, separate entrance. Where's the separate entrance? I don't even see the door. Oh, it's over there somewhere. Actually, it's on the other side of that window. You can't see it because it's the same color as the wall, which I kind of like. Anyway, so keep looking for future videos of the new studio and the new things that are going to be happening in this space. And if you are ever in Lewiston, Idaho, reach out to me and we'll give you a tour of the studio. So we'll see you in the next video where you actually get the full studio tour. Until next time.